How you going, guys? It's Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I just want to give you a quick tip about brake-safe units on the front of caravans. So if you do have a caravan and it weighs more than 2,000 kilos, you are required by law to have one fitted to your van. So that's one thing to make sure that you do have one if you do have a van that weighs more than that. Just to clarify what they actually do, if your vehicle was to come adrift from your van, this cord here will be pulled like so. That will activate the brakes on the van, which will stop it from running down the road, overtaking your car. So if you guys have any questions to do with these units, give us a call and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks guys, bye.